Here we go. We got a new microphone that we have to check out. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. And then we'll have to probably download an app and do a bunch of other things, because that's usually what you have to do with these, because you know it's going to be on your phone. It comes in a really nice case. Look at this. Empty box. Put it over there. And yeah, so you do get, you know, QR codes for downloading the app and other things. There's your information. You need that so you can figure out how to use it. We usually like to do it like a puzzle. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there we go. Check it out. Whoops. All right, I'm dropping everything. All right, so it does come with two USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. You get two of those. You get one of the old-time plugs for microphones. And then here, I do believe is, oh shoot, something came apart in here. Hang on. Oh, okay, so this is a USB-C plug-in, and I think it's got some type of a sensor on it. And it has a USB-C plug here. So let's set that down. Maybe you can use two of these at once. We don't know yet. But uh-oh, here we go. Here is the head of the mic. It's got a USB-C here. It has some type of a port here. USB-C on the front. The name. On this side, there's like some type of sensor or button that we have to push. Okay. And there's more. We're not done yet. You get this here that you can put over it. So you get a real fuzzy one. All right. And let's see what this is. This looks like a tripod, maybe. Oh, look at this. You get this little tripod that you can set up, right? And put your, I would imagine, your mic on there. I don't see this has got the screw in thing, so we got to figure that out. Let's just set that down. Oh, there's more stuff. Hang on. There's these little itty bitty things here, right? And I'm imagining there's two things that we set in there. Oh, here they are. I think we've got the bodies here. Oh, always hard to get out of the plastic. Yeah, there should be two of these, or maybe there's, all right, so this is just one. All right, so this has a USB-C port and that traditional mic port with a clip on the back. Okay, set that down. I think there's another one in here. Could be wrong. Oh, I think this is another thing for the tripod. Oh, it's another one of these. Okay, so this has got the old style for your, so this would be for iPhone, and this would be for iPhone 15 higher, or maybe Samsung, because this is USB-C, and this is that old style thing for the older iPhones. Okay, put that there. So that's the thing that articulates with the iPhone itself, or your Samsung. And I do believe we got everything out of there, all right? So that's everything that's in the package. I wouldn't think that you would need to charge these, because you would get the charge from the phone. You know what I mean? This is like the connector to the phone. You would think that that would not need charging. But we may have to do that and set those there. Set that there. This, I think, also we need to charge too if we're going to use it. Now you can pull this right off, right? And you can screw it onto the onto your thing here. See this? So bam, there you got your microphone on there, right? So you can see how that works. But I do believe we got to charge that too, right? So we're going to do that. And oh look, there they are. You see those? This is the thing that goes into here. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge this. So I gotta plug it in. So I've got a USB USB-C, and it's connected to a block. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there. There we go. All right, now we just, you can see that it's lit up here. So now we got that charging. So we'll set that down, let it charge. And then we might as well charge this one too, right? All right, so USB-C, right? Plug that in. Red lights, that's charging. And then everything else, I mean, we just gotta wait, let it charge up. And then once it's all charged up, we'll try it out on the iPhone. Okay, but that's the unboxing. So this is everything that comes with it. Here's one, I think is the microphone. This is the little charger here that has your two lavalier connectors in here. Those are your two lavaliers, right? So we'll let that charge. This is what they go in, these little fuzzy things. Then you got a fuzzy thing for the whole mic if you want to use the mic that way, which you could do. You can use this whole thing as a microphone. These go into your phone. There's the iPhone like 13, and then this is for the other iPhones and Samsungs. USB-C port on them. This has a USB-C port on it also, which I'm not quite sure why, because I would think that these would derive their electricity or their charge from the phone. It comes with USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C and traditional microphone and this cool little tripod. So that's everything you get, plus you get the bag to put it in. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this out later and we'll see what we think. This is it right here. You get it on Amazon, and I think it's gonna work great. I can't wait to try it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.